Nice to see you all. I'm imagining you're there. Nice to imaginary see you all. Yes. It's time for another singing assembly. Today we have a special challenge. We're going to sing a South African song called Shosholoza, which is a brilliant song, and we're going to try and sing it in 3 parts all together. Just wait and see how that's going to work. First of all, we need to warm ourselves up. So make sure you're doing good sitting or good standing wherever you are. Shoulders up to your ears and let them drop. And up to your ears and halfway down and let them drop. And up to your ears and 1/4 of the way down and half the way down and 3/4 of the way down and let them drop. And give them a little shake and make sure you're really, really, really nice and loose and relaxed. Get your hands on your neck and just give yourself a little neck massage to get all the stress of your hard working day out from your muscles down to your shoulders. Oh, I don't know about you, but I feel better already. Okay, let's get our breathing working nicely. Let's do that thing of having a silent drink of water. So, it's a hot day. Oh, you've been working so hard, and you can have a cold drink that opens up your throat. Are you ready? Really nice. One more. Very good. Now, the song we're going to be singing today involves lots of mouth movements, especially as we're singing in another language. We're going to be singing in Zulu and Ndebele, 2 different South African languages. So first of all, stretchy face and a sad noise. Okay, very good. Face working really, really nicely. Let's say some tongue twisters to get ourselves warmed up. We'll start with an easy one and we'll get harder and harder. Easy one, red lorry, yellow lorry. We're going to try and say it 10 times. Red lorry, yellow lorry. No lollies. Lorry. Ready, steady, here we go. Red lorry, yellow lorry, 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 red lorry, yellow lorry. Good. Ready for the high speed version? Ready, steady, here we go. Red lorry, yellow lorry, 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 red lorry. I hope you did better than me. Let's do a harder one. Another good tongue twister is unique New York. Unique means when there's only one of something. It's the only thing of it in the world. And New York isn't a unique city. So we're going to say unique New York. You say it? Unique New York. Lots of faces to make. Let's say it 10 times. Ready, steady, here we go. Unique New York, 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 unique New York. Yes. And last of all, I think this is incredibly challenging. If you have a boat, but it's only a toy, it's a toy boat. And you wouldn't think it, but toy boat is a really hard tongue twister. You say toy boat, toy boat. Yeah, 1 time is easy, but lots of times is challenging. 10 times. Are you ready? Whoever's watching you at this point will looking over at you saying, what is this person doing? But trust me, this is great for getting your face nice and warmed up for singing. 10 toy boats. Ready, steady, here we go. Toy boat, 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 toy boat. Oh, let's do 20. Ready, steady, here we go. Toy boat, 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 toy boat. Oh my goodness. Face warmed up. Check. Okay. Some sounds. First of all, have a little yawn. A nice yawn you can hear. How about some gentle slides up and down, like going on that lovely sound we like again. Don't worry, I won't squash any today. Ready? Very good. What we're going to do is we're going to sing I Like to Sing in the Bath. But when you say sing, I want you to bend your knees and have a little dip. Just the word sing, a little dip. It's going to go, I like to sing in the bath. You have to frown. I like to sing in the bath. 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 Very good. So, Shosholoza is a South African song, like many of my very favourite songs. And it's a song about encouraging other people. It's a song that workers would sing to encourage each other. Shosholoza means keep going, keep moving forwards. And then the words, Kule Zontaba, Stimela Sipume South Africa, mean coming from the mountains on the train to South Africa. It's a song that South African miners would sing to each other to say, keep going, don't give up, the work is hard and my life might be a struggle, but keep going, there is better things in sight. So it's a good song for now. I'll teach you the words. I'll say them, you say them back. Yes? Good. Shosholoza. You say it. Shosholoza. You have to say it like you really mean it, like you're telling your friend has fallen over and is giving up, and you're saying, don't give up, keep going. Shosholoza. You try it. Shosholoza. Next. Kule Zontaba. Kule Zontaba. Kule Zontaba. Good. Next bit, the train. Stimela. Stimela is a great word. Say stimela. Stimela. And the train's coming from South Africa. Say, Sipume South Africa. Sipume South Africa. That's the whole thing. Nearly. Me, then you. Shosholoza. Kule Zontaba. Stimela Sipume South Africa. Your go. Stimela Sipume South Africa. I said we nearly learnt it all. There's one more tiny bit. Because now we sing Wenuya Baleka. It means you are running away. We are running away. Say Wenuya. Wenuya. Baleka. Baleka. Wenuya Baleka. And then we sing the whole song again. Kule Zontaba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. You'll get it. You can always rewind. This is a video. You could rewind me and I'll teach you the words again. Next we'll go on to how to sing the song. So, the main tune starts like this. I'll sing it. You sing it back. Shosholoza. Shosholoza. Kule Zontaba, Kule Zontaba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. Your turn. Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. And we put that together. Shosholoza, Kule Zontaba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. Should we sing the whole thing? I'll count you in 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shosholoza, Kule Zontaba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. And then we sing the song again, but instead of singing Shosholoza, we sing Wenuya Baleka. It goes like this. It goes Wenuya Baleka. You sing it 1, 2, 3, 4. Wenuya Baleka. And then it's the same bits. So the second half of the song goes 1, 2, let's sing it, here we go. Wenuya Baleka, Kule Zontaba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. Should we sing the whole thing? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shosholoza, Kule Zontaba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. Wenuya baleka, Kules on Taba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. That's the whole main tune. You just learnt it. But, oh my gosh, there is a second part, a lower part. I'm wearing a different colour t-shirt, so you can tell it's different. It's going to be down here. I'm singing it very low. But unless you have a voice as low as me, you'll actually be singing up here. I'll use my low voice though. We sing the same words, but with tunes a little bit lower. It's a harmony part. I'll sing it, you sing it back. It only uses the words you already know, me then you. Shosholoza, Shosholoza, Kules on Taba, Kules on Taba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. Wenuya baleka, Wenuya baleka, Kules on Taba, Kules on Taba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. Let's put our harmony part together. We'll sing a long bit. We'll sing Shosholoza, Kules on Taba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. But not that fast. Are you ready? Sing up nice and straight. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shosholoza, Kules on Taba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. Next bit. Wenuya baleka, Kules on Taba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. So, we can put those two bits together. Which do you want to sing? Do you want to sing the lower part with me in the yellow? Or do you want to sing the higher part with me in the red? Well, do you know what? You'll have two Davids to sing along with. If you're singing the high part, it's Shosholoza. If you're singing the lower part, it's Shosholoza. Shosholoza, Kules on Taba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. Wenuya baleka, Kules on Taba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. Shosholoza, Kules on Taba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa. Wenuya baleka, Kules on Taba, Stimela, Sipume, South Africa.